Spooky Movie Tuesday.
Welcome to the Spooky Movie Tuesdays, where we find a scary movie that you should watch. And this week's Spooky Movie Tuesday that you should watch is Mama, which is the name of the movie. It gets a 6.3 International Movie Database rating, 65% on Rotten Tomatoes, and 57% on Metacritic. It is a very scary movie. It's very original, and it definitely gives you a different side of what a ghost is. And also shows you how naive young children can be if they don't know what a ghost is. So let's watch the trailer.
You guys know what time it is? Don't go in the closet. Why not? What's in the closet?
Okay, so I believe this movie is worth the watch because I believe, first of all, you get a glimpse into what will happen if a little child is experiencing a ghost phenomenon and this ghost actually pretends to be its caretaker. So, it's pretty freaky, and I'm pretty sure that you would agree with me. That's a very interesting, movie to watch if you just look at those facts. So remember to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you agree or disagree and why. If you have a recommendation, you know where to add them, just below this video. As you also know, we do a creepy fact every Tuesday to complete the Spooky Tuesdays, and today our creepy fact is the Borley Rectory, Essex, which is named the most haunted house in England. So Borley Rectory, the most haunted house in England, maybe. However, in recent years, a cloud of doubt has risen. Is the most haunted in the world? It is up to you to decide. So the history behind the most haunted house in England. Borley Rectory was first built back in 1863 on the site of an old monastery. The reports of strange occurrences date back to the mid-late 1800s. However, the first documented evidence of paranormal activity was in the early 1900s. The first reports that came to public attention were from 1928, when then-owner Guy Eric Smith and his wife contacted the Daily Mirror newspaper to report the strange goings-ons. The newspaper then took on the help of a paranormal investigator known as Harry Price. Mr. Price stayed at the house to carry out extensive research for more than a year. In 1939, the house was burned to the ground. The lamp that caused this burn. It was then left the ruins until 1944, when it was demolished. So, according to local folklore, a nun from a nearby nunnery fell in love with the monk from a monastery, and the pair attempted to elope together. They were found and sentenced to death. The monk was reported to have been sent to the gallows in a monastery, whilst the nun was sealed in the walls of the nunnery alive. The nun is believed to be one of that is seen on the grounds of Borley Rectory, looking for the monk in the hope of running away together once more. The nun has been seen and heard several times throughout the years. She seemed to be most active during the time in which Reverend Harry Bull lived there. So Mr. Price died in 1948, and since then many skeptics dissected his work, explaining all sound phenomena and other phenomena as misinterpreted natural occurrences. Believe what you will, but all reports stretching over 100 years seem to cement its place as one of the most haunted houses in Britain, and maybe even the world. So there you have it. That is the story of the ghost house in Borley Rectory, dubbed the most haunted house in England. That is the real fact for you on this Tuesday, and I hope I will see you again soon on the next Spooky Tuesday episode. Every Tuesdays. Ciao for now. for watching. If you like my video, why don't you subscribe?